Hey guys, I am Will Staley. My pronouns are she, her, or they, them. Um, I am a postmaster's school psychology student right now. I just started my second year technically. And so, what I hope to learn in this class is just how to apply everything in an educational setting. My background is mainly working with mental health and doing therapeutic interventions and that sort of thing, and then working in higher education. So K through 12 is definitely new to me, and so I just hope to figure out how to better understand the totality of how K through 12 works together and how I can benefit a school district. Um, I've been living in Washington State for 5 years now. I'm originally from the Midwest. I don't miss it. And I have a 3.5-month-old now. Um, so I am learning to parent while doing this term. So wish me luck. Thanks.